Welcome to Paradise Beach Cozumel. Booking your exclusive all-inclusive package is very easy. I will guide you through the process. First, go to paradisebeachcozumel.com and click on any Book Now button. Start by choosing the date you wish to visit Paradise Beach. Take a look at our seasonal prices. The rate shown on the calendar corresponds to one adult. Next, select the number of people in your party, whether they are adults, teens, or children. In the add-on section, you can choose the number of Fun Pass accesses to enjoy the water park, paddleboards, water hammocks, and more. You can also add an upgrade to your adult drinks so they are served with top-shelf liquors. You can book wave runner and parasailing experiences. Just add the number of participants and select your preferred time. If you wish to enjoy your visit on one of our daybeds, click on an available daybed shown in pink. Once selected, it will turn blue. You can preview the front view of your daybed by clicking on the corresponding number. To close the image, click the X in the top right corner. You can keep track of your order in the order summary on the right side of the page. Once your order is complete, click Continue to Review. It's time to fill in your personal information. All fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory. Click Checkout to continue. Here you can review all your previous information. If you would like to change the number of guests or add-ons, click Back to Order. If your information and order are correct, choose your preferred payment method. Accepted payment methods include debit or credit cards, including MasterCard, Visa, American Express, and Discover. Select this option, enter your card information, and click Pay. For PayPal, select this option, log into your PayPal account, and proceed with the payment. Finally, you will receive a confirmation email with all the details of your reservation. Please present it at check-in upon arrival. Congratulations! You have just booked the highlight of your Caribbean vacation, Paradise Beach Cozumel.